Yo, welcome to Victory. I'm Victory. It is July 21st of 2025. Um, I'm gonna get really high and I'm gonna do some fucking arts and crafts. And starting with that, I got some amnesia bubble hash. And I couldn't find my Venus McFlytrap lighter, so I'm gonna use my cougar lighter. So it's glass tip. Now, tonight's objective for me is to make a couple of these clips. Maybe sacrifice one of my headbands. I want to be outside before 11 o'clock. Sacrifice one of, not headbands, sacrifice one of my safety goggles. So I can do some kind of like retro futurism type thing. And I want to take my current hair color because I think it'll match really well. And I want to put my hair up and then have like these clips in. And I'm going to wear like an all white outfit. And, what is this? And, just do some shoots, post on the blog. And like, I've been feeling really, really creative lately. Like, I have like my fair share of experiences with fucking benzodiazepines, but like, alprazolam's my favorite. And I can tell when I have pure alprazolam because it, I really wish that wasn't blowing right at my face. Because, like, I'm already very, very creative, especially when I'm, like, manic. But it just adds to the creativity. And, like, smoking amplifies it. It's just, I'm out here straight up playing games with myself. I'm having a lot of fun. I'm happy I finally got my webcam set up. This has been really important to me. I have a lot of shit to say. I got a speaker now. I bought these headphones fucking forever ago. I didn't think I was ever gonna use them, cause I don't game. Well, this has always been in the back of my mind. Maybe I will game. I don't know. But right now I'm really focused on my blog and writing. I feel like I haven't gotten to write properly in a very long time. So, getting into writing. Different styles of writing. Like, I tried explaining it to one of my friends, and I was just kind of like, I'm kind of in the progress of writing, like, a personal narrative, but it's not a diary, because, like, diaries don't really have, like, a beginning story and then, like, an end story. Diaries are just, like, what's happening on the daily. But, like, this is, like, a personal narrative from, like, that. This is, like, it's a personal narrative. I'm personally narrating something an event or subject that the other parts of my brain are making. So it's like, it's really complicated. And to be completely honest, I haven't started the document yet. I intend to start it tonight. It's really, I'm not sure how to start it, but I know exactly how I want it to be. So I'm hoping that tonight I can start that. It's kind of like, right now I'm kind of in between filming and writing. I think I can cram both, but we won't know until that time passes, so. Probably gonna be, like, enough for now. I really like these. But I really want to quit my jobs. This is the most creative and, like, artistic I've felt in a very, very, very long time. I don't think I've ever felt this creative and artistic since, last spring. I really feel as if, this version of myself, I really feel as if I parallel her. I'm not sure how we parallel one another other than the fact that, we're both abundantly creative. It's like, It's like I really am magenta. It's like last spring I was this specific half of magenta. And like right now I'm the other half, even though last year I experienced like both. Anyways, let's start these hair clips. I'll come back, see how they do. Show you guys. Myself mostly. But, well, hold up, actually. I'm definitely gonna be smoking that one again. I really enjoyed that. Okay, so, this is garbage. Oh, there's my lighter that I was looking for. I was looking for this one, because I really fucking like Venus flytrap plants. Let's get all this nasty shit off my desk. So, super glue from my friend. This is like 3 days old. I should make a Twitch account. I don't know, I kind of want like commentary, but these were like, I remember like I had like, there was like this specific one that I really wanted to start. Don't. It was an enter key, I thought, but like shaped different. I hope it's not in the jar. I have a whole jar. Dude, he's absolutely the fucking goat for giving these to me. I've had this idea for like a long time. Ah! I found it. Okay, cool. Okay. Where did my first hair clip go? Anyways, so I got these snap clips. And then, like, the caps that he gave to me, can I get it to refocus on me? That's fine. So, like, the keycaps he gave to me, if you could see it, they have, like, lily pads and stuff on them. Like, water lilies, and oh, these are my favorite plants. Other than, like, lotuses. So, it's just, like, this is, and the font is very gentle. Like, this is just, like, the aesthetic it reminds me of is, like, Future, the planet after humans. See this? Okay. This would be a, like a side clip like that. Alright. Oh, fuck. Okay. I can't get this shit fucking open. This is bogus. Okay. Okay, that's what I thought. I low-key have way too much going on in my life, so the fact that I'm able to just calm down and do, like, oh fuck, and do these little, do my little Praz lambs and then come and do my little arts and crafts really makes me happy. I don't think it's gonna work. Nah, man. I'm too hard. Hold. Okay. It fell apart numerous times. I don't think it's gonna work. I think I need hot glue, not super glue. This is what I got started so far. I wanted to add another, like, lily pad one. Or, I'm not sure. I wanted to add another one. I gotta look at the other ones, but I don't even know if it's gonna stick. I'm really worried that I'm not gonna be able to accomplish this project without hot glue. And, like, I'm contemplating if, like, it's worth going to get hot glue. Or, like, if I should just leave it be, you know. Just call it wraps. But I also have no idea when else I would get to do this. Shit. Shit, I need advice right now. Well, let's make one more clip. Let's make one more clip with the super glue. Just do something a little different this time. And then I'll just go fucking get hot glue and then turn this into a whole craft activity then. I was literally at the Dollar Tree earlier. Okay, alright. Blocking in, man. So that wasn't the most successful. I had to pull a clip off, and when I pulled the clip, I had to pull, not a clip, but like the keycap. I had to pull a keycap off because I wanted to make it say enter a shift, but I accidentally made it say enter a control, and then I thought I meant to say control a shift. No, I'm trying to do, you can't really see it. But I'm like covered in hot glue. Not hot glue. Is that working? Enter a shift, right? I had it working fucking close enough. You guys know what I'm trying to get at, okay. But, it's not very stable. I don't think super glue is the right thing for it. I think that I need to go get hot glue. So, I'm gonna go get hot glue. I'm pretty determined about, all of this tonight. So, set that aside. Shit, I'm like running out of desk space. Just gonna set all of this like aside. That's actually a great spot. Alright, so get some hot glue. May or may not be back. I got hot glue on my desk. Peace.